Hey guys, this is a midweek analysis for August 2nd of 2023. Okay, let's cover the Aussie USD. This is a weekly chart. Let me run you by the current setup I'm looking at. So the last weekly long trade that formed was right here, and the last weekly short trade that formed was right here, about a month and a half ago. So the weekly bias parameters were between this pivot high and this pivot low right here. And so as price ranged about for the following weeks, even when it got very close to that top risk parameter but didn't touch it and came down, I was always looking for lower confirmations to confirm this bias. And just yesterday, right at this point right here, there was 1 hour lower confirmation confirming this bias to be short, or in other words, price is likely to reach this pivot low before reaching this pivot high. Alright, so first let me show you this lower confirmation. Let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so on this 1 hour chart, if you zoom all the way out, there was a huge lower confirmation that formed on this 1 hour chart. And that trend line is connected from this pivot right here to this pivot right here. Okay, so let me show you that lower confirmation up close. Okay, so just yesterday, right on this trend line, there was a breakout and immediate break back in. However, price came down to that pivot low to create strong short strength, and thus confirming that weekly bias to be short. Okay, and I'm willing to take an aggressive entry on this setup also. Let's go over to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so on this 5-minute chart, I was already looking for an aggressive short entry with this trend line right here. However, price got right through it. So from this point on, I'll be looking for another legitimate trend line. So price could come up, come back down, and come back up again, making a legitimate trend line. And if price will come down to that trend line, break it out, immediately break back in, however, reaches pivot low. That's going to create strong 5-minute short strength and give me an aggressive short entry. Now in this hypothetical case, I'll take a short entry where that strong short strength was created right here, with a stop loss at the 5-minute major pivot high, which will be right here, and the main target at that weekly bias is pivot low. Okay, now I'll keep you guys updated with this one. So that's it for the midweek analysis, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.